이렇게 듣고 싶은데? 대박.
Yeah, it's just a token of appreciation. We are very grateful. Thank you. आवाज है?
Who is from the Ministry, Mr. Dwivedi, for your leadership, for the entire fraternity attainment, which is very rare. Not very many governments do this, but in India, for the past 20 years, the Government of India, through the Ministry of Information and Broadcasting, has been providing and handing this powerful tool in the hands of the community. That is to basically, and the frequency allocated by the government, they're able to actually.
Moment for me also, and I am very much delighted to be here. I'm invited here. I'm an expert here, but from the other side I am talking about, from the public side. So I was very much interested to have this community radio at our University of Tripura, ICFAI. I visited Jadavpur University, Jain University, Bangalore. I have seen all are there. Then we have been following up, and I know I have seen the rules. Not everybody could take community radio earlier. I am talking about 7, 8, 9 years ago. And I went to the site. Universities are given that facility, but I understand now it is given to NGOs and others. And also in this community, what is there? So it becomes normally what we understand radio by it is done by the institution, government, and now it is given to the private institution. But once upon a time, when we were a child, it was all given Akashvani, Kolkata, Akashvani, so all government. And then now it is given to private institution, mainly we understand for the commercial purpose, the FM, we understand that.
Agartala itself, and as we know that the number of community radio stations are very less in the northeast sector, and if you talk about Tripura alone, we have only one community radio station in Tripura in the entire state. And to have this workshop in Agartala, Tripura, and we requested Simca in a very short time, and Simca has always been partner of this ministry, and we are very grateful to Dr. V. Sadrak for taking out his time and being present all the time during the entire workshop. Well, but he has shown his seriousness to be with us online. And we had earlier organized 2 workshops in Assam, Guwahati, and he was there present. So thank you, sir, for being with us. Your guidance means a lot for the ministry as well as for the entire Simca team, and of course for the participants. Your words really matters us. The good thing is that we also have experts from more than 10 years. So if you talk about from Agartala, we have Ms. Devanjana Devabarman sitting with us. She'll be here and I'm glad to inform you that she has also this 3 times. So that shows 2 times. And of course her.
So now my next question is around the content, which is the next pillar of community. So हम सब के स्टेशन का कोई ना कोई फ्लैगशिप प्रोग्राम रहता है, यानी जैसे आपने हेल्थ बोला. So I want to actually understand from my fellow colleagues here, what is and which is your flagship program, और उसमें आप कैसे ensure करते हैं कि community की participation ensure हो? How do you ensure community participation in your content, and which is your flagship program? And I can probably request Swapnila.
কিভাবে কমিউনিটি রেডিও কাজ করছে? অ্যাকচুয়াল ব্যাপারটা হচ্ছে গিয়ে আমরা যখন কমিউনিটি রেডিও কমিউনিটি কাজ করে বা একটা ক্লাসের জন্য কাজ করছে, তো সবাই এখনো মানে আমি যদি ত্রিপুরার কথা বলি, আমাকে মোটামুটি আমি ট্রাইবাল এরিয়াতে যখন যাচ্ছি, ট্রাইবাল বেল্টে যখন যাচ্ছি, তখন আমাকে ওখানে এখনো এমন আছে জায়গা যে নেট অ্যাক্সেস করতে পারে না, তাই আমরা ইন্টারনেট রেডিও আমরা নিইনি বা ডিজিটালি নেই, সেই রেডিওর যে পুরনো কনসেপ্ট সেটাতেই আছি। পাশাপাশি তারা কাজ করতে করতে মানে ধরুন লেবার করছে, ফর এক্সাম্পল মাটি কাটছে বা লাইক দ্যাট, তারা মোবাইলে সেটা শুনতে পাচ্ছে, যেটা ওই নেট চালিয়ে সেরে তাদের পক্ষে সম্ভব না, কারণ বললামই ইন্টেরিয়ারে এখনও এটা যেটা আছে যে পৌঁছয় না, হয় না, নেট থাকে না। এছাড়া আমরা ওমেন হেলথের উপরে বিশেষ করে জোর দিই, যেটার জন্য থিমেটিক ফোকাসে 2019-এ ত্রিপুরা ন্যাশনাল অ্যাওয়ার্ড পেয়েছে, ফার্স্ট পজিশন, যেটার সাবজেক্ট ছিল হিউম্যান ট্রাফিকিং। আপনারা জানেন ত্রিপুরাতে হিউম্যান ট্রাফিকিং অনেকটাই বেড়ে গেছে, এখন তো অনেকটাই আছে। আর পাশাপাশি অর্গান ডোনেশনের কনসেপ্টের উপরে কাজ করেছি। আর এছাড়া হেলথ, এখন যেটা হয়েছে যে হেলথ, ফিজিক্যাল হেলথের থেকেও মেন্টাল হেলথ প্রবলেমটা খুব রিসেন্টলি খুব দেখা যাচ্ছে, অল ওভার ইন্ডিয়া, ত্রিপুরাতেও আছে। আমি কয়েকটা ঘটনা রিসেন্ট
Observe all these, the cultural activities. That's the uniqueness of our community radio station, and it is very much popular among the community of Dibrugarh, surrounding Dibrugarh, because we have many Ahom ethnic community, Sonowal Kasari, Deuri, Missing, different Hajam community, variety of communities in Dibrugarh district, that we have there very much very much exploring areas in our for our radio station. That's why we are promoting their cultural activities. We are became their voice for the voiceless. We are working as a voice for the voiceless, because community radio, the concept of community radio is not only to communicate. We are educator. Actually, we are educator. We educate them and we provide them the platform to explore themselves, and the issues, the problems of the rural areas, of the backward areas, and give empowerment to the women and children who are in trouble. They can speak with us, but for that we have to give them the space, the relation, that intimacy, and the dedication we must have to do this. In real sense, we are educator and we are a social worker in real sense, community radio. That's why a community radio can sustain, and this way a community radio can run and sustain very
controlled by Government of India. ওইখানে ওরা অ্যাড পারপাসে একটা অ্যামাউন্ট গভর্নমেন্ট রেটে ওরা দেয়।